Hey guys, me and Alex are back with another episode of WTF.
Episode 7 was a draw.
Yep.
We got to 3-3. Now it's still 3.5.
3.5 each.
And this is episode 8.
8.
So there's only this and 2 more left.
If you are watching this for the first time, episode 8, make sure you go back from episode 1, and also we've got series 1 as well if you'd like to watch it.
I'm not sure you can feel it through the camera, but there's so much
tense.
tension.
We've only got
There's
2
so
more
much
episodes.
tension in this room right now. Because me and Kate are so competitive, and neither of us want to let this slip.
Right, should we find out what the fudge is in this box?
Oh. Hello, Kate and Alex. First of all, a big congratulations to both of you for drawing last week's episode. You really do know your Christmas dinners, don't you?
Yeah.
Yes, we've been practicing for quite a while.
As we close in on the finale, things are still pretty tight and it's still all to play for.
So let's introduce this week's episode.
Today, you'll be taking part in the WTF Gingerbread House Challenge.
In this box, you have been given all of the components you need to build a gingerbread house. The last time we had to build something, that didn't go well for me. That did not go well for me.
Link up there.
I'm not sure I've recovered from that yet. What's Matt trying to do to me? You have 10 minutes to complete and decorate your gingerbread house, and the most attractive structure, according to the public, will win. However, I've got no chance.
Yes, you do. However, we can't make it too easy for you, so you will have to complete this challenge with both your right hands tied behind your back. You'll post a poll on your Instagram with a photo of both houses and let the public decide your fate. Good luck, guys. The WTF team. We're not building it with these, are we?
Yeah, I guess so. What if I pick the cap and then realise that's the wrong one?
Well, you're an idiot.
I'm going to make a strategic decision here. I think I'm going to go with this top. I think this is going to be the best top to go with.
I don't know how we're going to do this. I think it's a challenge as it is to just do it with these gingerbread men.
Yeah.
Let alone with our left hand.
Our left hand.
So I have asked, can I have a chopping board? And we have been accepted, yes. Alex has decided he doesn't want a chopping board, so that's his own fault.
You've obviously got some kind of plan.
I do, so I'm surprised that you wouldn't take it up, but we've already...
Yeah, that's all very well saying, but until I know what you're going to do with it, why would I want one?
10 minutes starts now. Good luck, Alex.
Oh no, good luck, Kate.
Good luck, me.
I'm interested to see what you do with that.
I know, I haven't actually got a clue what I'm doing. My word, I should have rubbed this icing.
I wonder if I'm going to end up... I'm probably going to overcomplicate it again like the other challenge. And then it probably won't even stand up as a house. But I've got to test my theory first, so I'm going to go for that.
I've literally just thought of this idea as I started. I hadn't thought of this idea before.
Oh, really? That's clever. What feels so odd is that I'm so used to doing just everything with my right hand.
So what piping nozzle have you gone with?
The flat one.
Flat one.
Yeah, I just thought it was going to give me a good amount of icing.
Mm-hmm.
What about you? What have you gone for?
I've gone for the star tip.
Oh, cool. I did think about that one, but I was like,
The thing is, this icing's not going to really be set, is it?
Is it not?
It takes ages for icing to set.
I haven't even thought about design because I'm just so worried about how it's even going to stand up or how I'm going to get it off the table.
So your house is looking very big. I just wish before I started this video I massaged my icing bag a little bit.
Sorry, what? It's alright, you've got a chopping board.
I'm intrigued.
You've got a chopping board. So
right, okay, so I'm going this way, but I feel like I could have gone a completely different route.
Oh, I definitely think there's a lot of different routes we all could have done.
Oh my god, this icing pen is so strong.
It's another one of those episodes where we don't have a lot of witty banter because there's too much to do. I'm still not sure I'm going to manage this. The problem is I'm not thinking ahead. All I've done so far is think, right, I think this is the best way to go about this, but I haven't actually thought, how am I going to pick these up or anything? Which could be a catastrophic mistake.
My hands are so weak, I literally can't squeeze this icing out.
Really? Oh, you poor girl. Right, this should be fun. What are you saying?
Are you allowed
for?
to use that as a...
You've got a thingy board. So I'm actually using the stuff we were given, and you're getting all upset about something you weren't, or we was given.
I was given. Got my lippy on that one. Am I allowed to keep that bowl in the middle?
So first of all, you're all miffed that I was using it, and now you want to keep it in the middle. Well, it's amazing,
not your
isn't
plan?
it? It's amazing what goes on, isn't it?
Is that not your plan?
No, it wasn't actually, funnily enough. Why is this one so solid? Look at that! So solid, crew.
I was about to say so solid, Chris. Okay, fine.
Maybe I just should have left them longer.
I know, those... I think this icing is actually quite good at drying. Oh my word, your icing's coming out the top! You're obviously strong.
Oh, what am I going to do now? Look at that. It's gone everywhere. Where was that from, Matt?
Morrison's.
Don't buy this cheap rubbish Morrison's thing, it'll only break at the top. And then all your dreams of building a lovely gingerbread house will be shattered.
3 minutes 40 to go. I'm just putting my roof on.
Great, good for you.
I really want to get him there. Want to munch on in the meantime? Don't mind if I do. Okay. Now. Ah, rats. Oh no. Stay there, little man. Oh, that was so close to actually being good.
I just realised I'm so out of time here. My hands are just so sticky now that everything
Oh
is
yeah,
just...
because yours, whereas I literally have only just started touching the icing. I'm literally out of icing. Oh no, I want some of my icing sugar, but it's in the middle. Can I have some of yours?
Yeah, you can.
Is that alright?
Yeah, that roof looks good. I'm not sure if it...
Oh dear,
no!
I think I've overdone it on
no!
the... What?
Do you know what I've just realised?
What?
I'm not going to be able to put mine on.
Why?
I've only got one hand.
Okay, how about I lend you my hand?
No, it's okay. I want to... If I'm going to do this, it's got to be all me. It's not going to happen at all. This is not oh my word.
Do you think it's strong enough?
No. But this is my last ditch attempt. It's not even stuck together enough. And it's too sticky on the table. What on earth am I doing?
Alex always has to make it so much bigger and everything.
I
Hold
didn't
on.
think mine was that much bigger.
Get your hand so sticky.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Lifts up.
That's what I'm doing, look.
Plenty of time, Jeff. Oh, well, why don't you start by just laying? Oh, hold on, that's gonna fall.
Just start by laying what, where?
Just like laying them on.
No, I can't, because how's that going to work? Because they're going to fall off.
Just get a roof on. In Grand Designs, they have issues. They sort it out, so. Yeah. And that will actually make the wall stronger, surely.
I don't know about that.
I'd maybe go with a glass ceiling, though.
Yeah.
More of a hut. Mud hut.
More of a mud hut.
These are actually really good. I'm going to try a bit with the icing. Oh my god, you done it.
Damn! No one could see me that whole time. I just went on a quick hiatus. Or do you know what else?
The icing is good.
1 second. And his head.
1 minute.
Don't tell me something like that right now. You are so mean sometimes. That was the worst, most horrible thing you could have said right then.
30 seconds.
You could have said you're a fat, horrible monster, and it wouldn't have been as bad as saying you've got 1 minute.
Hands up.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so talk us through your masterpiece. Should we move that bowl out the way so I
Yeah.
can see? Oh, I can have my hand back now.
My lovely creation here. Not sure, we might have to move the camera so you can see other angles of it, because I did actually glue mine to the top because I didn't listen to Kate. Mine is more like a little gingerbread tomb, which I think is very kind of actually in with Christmas because of Jesus being in that
You're
tomb.
making out like you planned this ahead of time.
Anyway, no.
And Jesus moved to gingerbread man.
The thing is, I was never sure how I was doing the roof, but I was going to do it as one piece, but I couldn't do that with one hand. So actually, you did give me a good idea, which was layering it up.
I decided to not be mean this time,
thanks,
because I
Kate.
know I wound you up last time.
And so I've done 3 layers for the walls for insulation because triple glazing is important to
Triple
me.
gingered.
Triple gingers, because of eco-friendliness, global warming. Stay warm. Our radiators aren't working right now, so we're really feeling it. But I think it came out good.
And you've got some icing sugar on top as well.
And I'm just pleased that it stayed standing up.
Yeah, it is. Okay, so
Talk us through yours.
I decided to go for the double gingerbread glaze.
I think yours...
Did you see that?
No, I wasn't really paying attention.
I've stuck 2 gingerbread men
I
together.
did see that bit, yeah.
So I tried to create stronger walls.
I think because yours looks more artsy, and I think people are going to vote for yours because it's got more gaps, whereas I went for a more solid structure.
You went solid crew. And I decided to go for the thatched peaked roof.
Okay.
I've created a door here on the front because I thought if I'm going to get the viewers votes, I've got to have something creative in there.
And what's
so
in
I've got
there?
a door.
A bed? Is that a bed?
That's the hot tub. It's a hot.
Wow.
It's like a back garden hot tub. So this is the front door, and I've even got a little man there. So this is his house. That's his house.
This is like Grand Designs.
Yeah. Let's take it to Instagram. Once again, if you do not follow us at In the Kitchen with Kate and Al Murdo.
Yeah.
Hashtag get them to 2K. And also vote down below. Whose do you think is better?
Most people are probably going to say Kate.
So should we give it 5 minutes or 10 minutes? 10 minutes. In the meantime, we'll be eating some gingerbread man.
Right. It's time to find out who is the winner of the... And I'm not being funny. Even though it was left-handed, so it was more even. You do have a more delicate approach to things, and thus far, when we've done things that people vote on, you win. So, anyway,
You're so funny.
look at mine. It's not exactly a picture of beauty, is it? Whereas I can appreciate that yours looks really nice.
I think just it would be more obvious that mine's a gingerbread house.
Yeah.
Well, it's just like we say, Mud Hut.
Mud Hut. I took my inspiration from
The Book of Mormon.
the Book of Mormon, the musical.
The musical, yeah, the musical.
Not the Book of Mormon, not the
Okay.
religious. Right.
So here we go. 3, 2, 1.
And which was A? I don't know which was
Me.
A. Oh, it was A.
I have got
At least-
66% of the votes, and you got 34.
Wasn't that a better
That is better
than it was last time?
I had 50 in the 10 minutes. 59 votes for A, 30 for B.
Yeah.
So that's not bad.
I kind of saw
it's
it
about
coming.
half.
I'm annoyed because,
No, but I'm very proud of you, Al. You didn't.
Well, I didn't get annoyed this
You
time.
didn't get annoyed about the roof situation.
Yeah.
So I am taking the lead with 4.5 to 3.5.
Yeah. So let's just hope one of these next 2 challenges,
You can really.
yeah, is like speed eating or
Oh, I hope not.
how much you can eat or something that just really takes pure skill.
Pure skill, cheeky. Even though you didn't win, did you enjoy that?
Yeah, I enjoyed it. It's always a challenge trying to use your left hand. So
Yeah. Very pleased I won that one. I feel a little bit more confident going into the next round.
Well, at least you can keep yours though. Look, mine's going to get destroyed as soon
and
as
also
it gets
because mine
picked
can
up.
move around.
Yeah.
Maybe you should have had
I think we should just have had them to start with, shouldn't we?
Probably, yeah, definitely. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you very soon. Bye, guys.
See ya.
Oh, if you do make a proper gingerbread house, make sure you Instagram, tweet, or Facebook us in the Kitchen with Kate. I'd love to see your creations. I've never actually made a gingerbread house. I can't wait to see your photos. Now I have.
Yeah.
Bye. Bye,
See ya.
guys.